So you're looking to get a loan in the USA? Well, you're in the right place because today I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide to help you navigate the process. First things first, you need to determine the type of loan you need and how much money you require. Once you have that figured out, it's time to gather all your financial documents, including proof of income, tax returns, and bank statements. Then, it's time to start researching lenders and comparing their rates and terms. Once you've found a lender that suits your needs, it's time to fill out the application and submit it along with all the necessary documents. From there, it's a waiting game as the lender reviews your application and makes a decision. If you're approved, congratulations. Now it's time to carefully review the terms of the loan, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. Finally, if everything checks out, sign the loan agreement and the funds will be disbursed to you. And that's it, you've successfully secured a loan in the USA.